So here is how you can add a Discord link in your TikTok bio through the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. At first, we begin by going to our Discord, and essentially you need to find the server that you want to share, of course, right? So you may find it like this, and you have the ability to just click on it and just invite like that, and you're gonna copy the link, like you have the invite link to join a Discord server. Now then we just move over to the TikTok application, and what you need to do then is to go to your profile section, of course. And once you go to your profile like this, you want to just click on edit, and then you will have the ability to perform some changes. So I have the ability to click on the links right here, as you can see, and I can add my link to the Instagram, YouTube, or like a website, which is like another link. And there I can just paste my Discord right here. I can just click on save, and I will have the ability to have my Discord link displayed on my TikTok profile. Now, there are some things which you might need to do at first, like there are, for example, some people only can do this if they have the business account, right? Because the businesses can have that right away. So what you can do is to essentially go to your settings within a TikTok and then change the account type by, switching from the personal account. You go to the account section and you switch to business account, and that option should appear to you. Also, the alternative is to have 1,000 followers. So it always has been like this, that if you have less than 1,000 followers, you don't have the link option. So you can get the 1,000 followers or switch to the business mode. But yeah, this is how you can do this. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll catch you later.